Next up, manifest a destiny for Handshake. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. For this, we need to access the Flight Manifest database between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. This is super simple to do. All you need to do is remember the password, and head across to Farlong Airfield in the northeast side of the map. Zooming in, we need to head straight to the terminal over here. That's it. I'm landing at Golf 2. You may not have this active. You may have a long way to jog. But anyway, making our way in here, we'll deal with the man at the end of the runway, and we'll essentially just head in here. Now, there are going to be quite a few guards that you'll need to clean out first, but it should be simple enough to do. I'll head in this extreme southeast side, clearing things out as I go, and now we'll head pretty much just straight towards this main area. Okay, so definitely not returning in another life because things went really south really quickly. We'll need to head into here. We'll head into this building and down to the southmost point downstairs. Inside of this section here, all the way far down south in this building, as you can see, you'll find a computer over here. This computer is the database. We'll hold F to access it, type in PASSWORD, and there we go. We're done. At this point, all you need to do is retrieve the hard drive and bring it back. Crouching down, there's a PC down here, and if we extract the hard drive, it's a single slot item. As you can see, all we need to do now is bring that back to base. Alright, so there we go. Arriving back, we can now hand over the hard drive and we're done with this quest. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.